So hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are looking at a problem on collision of two particles. This is a question which came in West Bengal JEE 2012. So let us start with the solution. In the question, we are given two balls. First one is a ball A, and mass of ball A is 4 kg. Mass of ball A is 4 kg. And second one is ball B, which has a mass of 1 kg. Initially, this ball B is at rest. So this is the surface, and we are given that the ball A comes along a straight line with some velocity. Let us call it as u0. It comes here near to ball B and it collides with it. So after collision, what will happen? The balls will move in some direction. We are given the directions in this question. It is given that A moves 30 degree with the ground and B moves 60 degree with the ground with different velocities, and we are given that this velocity to be called v1 and this velocity to be called v2. So v1 is the velocity of A in after the collision, and v2 is velocity of B after collision. We are required to find v1 by v2. So in this problem, we will be applying momentum conservation. This states that initial momentum before the collision is equals to the final momentum after collision. We all know the formula of momentum is denoted by P is mass times velocity. Okay, so we have two objects in our system. Initially, ball B is at rest, so its momentum would be 0, and we will have momentum of A. So it would be P of A plus P of B initially, which is equal to P of A plus P of B finally. So initially this will be mass of A into mu naught. That means 4 into u naught plus momentum of B is 0. And finally this moves in a direction 30 degree v1. So we will do one thing. We will assume the x direction of the system. This one, x direction. And we will resolve the momentum in two directions. So let us do it. Momentum in x direction. Initially momentum is just 4 into mu naught, which is the velocity in x direction, plus 0, which is the velocity of B into its mass. And finally, if we resolve this v1, it will be v1 cos theta. So mass of A into v1 cos theta, it will be 4 v1 cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 plus B, mass of B, that is 1 into cos 30. That would be half into cos 30 into v2 into 1. So we are come here with this is cos 60. We are here with a new equation. Let us call this as 1. So 4 into u naught is equals to 4 v1 root 3 plus 1. We can move this here. So 8 u naught is equals to 4 mu1 root 3 plus 1. This is v actually, 4 v1 plus v2. This is our first equation. We all know we have done it in x direction. Now we will do in y direction. So if we look, initially there is no velocity in y direction, therefore momentum initial in y direction would be 0. And finally it must also be 0. So ma into v sine 30, that is 4 into v1 sine 30 plus 1 into v2 into sine 60 must be 0. So if we cancel 2 from here, 4v1 plus mu2 root 3 would be equal to 0, and 4v1 is equals to minus of mu2 root 3. So v1 by v2 would be root 3 by 4. Thanks all.